We actually craft the case. There are 8 prerequisites that needs to be considered before we are actually begin in attempting the case. When I say attempt, means writing. So there are a lot of things that we need to do before we actually pick up the pen or start typing it up on your laptop screen. But the right way, that's the old school way. Always start with the paper. Always start with the paper. Always put your thoughts on the blank paper. And that's something which is preamble. That's something which is imperative. Start from the drawing board before you actually delve and towards putting up the substance in its final form. So, ladies and gentlemen, there are 8 prerequisites that needs to be considered before we actually formulate the case. Few of the prerequisites are, it's that you need to be clear about the objective and the purpose of writing up the case. All right, and you need to have the data, you need to have the coherence, you need to have the logic, you know how to put that into a story, into a sequence, and above all, you need to know why this case is important and how this case will going to add value to the person who is going to go through it. All right, so it's about time that we unfold and we experience and understand what those prerequisites actually are.